In this video, I'll show you how to use Wi-Fi Direct with your HP LaserJet 3001 DW and many other similar models. So let's get started. First step, let's start fresh. No matter where you are, okay, simply go on the control panel, turn the printer off by pressing the power button. Give it a few seconds so it powers off. And then after around 15 seconds, press the power button once again. Now, what we need to do is to look over here. This is the Wi-Fi button. It has a blue light. If you see the blue light flashing, we need to press on the Wi-Fi button until the blue light stops flashing. Usually, a simple press will do the trick. Perfect. Next step, make sure that you have some paper inserted in the printer, and you're going to press the I button on the control panel once. A page will get printed with the Wi-Fi Direct password. Give it a few seconds. If nothing happens, press again on the I button. All right. Take this page and right over here, this is the Wi-Fi Direct icon. And you're going to get the Wi-Fi Direct name of your printer and under it, the Wi-Fi Direct password. Yours will be different, so there's no point of copying mine. Let me show you how it works in practice. So you're going to take your phone or laptop, Mac or PC, it does not matter. And we need to go into the Wi-Fi settings of this phone. So let me just exit over here. On Android, drag down from the top right corner and press the cogwheel. On Apple, it's almost the same thing. Then go into the Wi-Fi connection, Wi-Fi. And over here, you should see in all the networks that your phone has found your printer. Now, it has disappeared. I don't know if you noticed. It was there at first, but it just got removed. If this happens to you, this is the printer's fault. It's not your phone. Don't worry. Give it a few seconds and it will reappear. Tap on it. And now input the password that is written right over here on the sheet of paper that got printed. Then select connect. And right now the phone or computer you're using is connected to the printer. To print using an Android smartphone and on Apple is almost the same thing. All you have to do is to open the file you wish to print or the image. Okay. On Android, I'll go in my Files app. Select. So let's say I want to print this two-page document, PDF document. On Android, you need to tap on the three dots over here and select print. On Apple, you're going to get an icon over here on the lower left side that is a square with an arrow pointing outside of that square. Tap on this and then select print. Now click on the top of the screen over here and you need to select your printer. You may have two of them, which is a bit confusing. At least it was for me. I didn't know which one to choose. And the one I needed is the one without the HP logo. Don't ask me why. Just click on it. Click on the arrow. Make sure these settings are okay. So the paper size you have input. If you want to print on both sides of the paper, you know, all the good stuff. And once you're done, press the print button right over here. The print will be sent and in just a few seconds, you will get the result over here. So this is about it. I hope this was useful. Please leave a like, subscribe, and comment down below.